Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today what we are going to see is how to see profiles in QGIS. So when we are this will be very useful while doing design. It can be done either in Civil 3D or GIS. So I'm going to show how to see profiles in QGIS. So for this just upload your DEM, go to the plugins, manage and install plugins, search for this profile tool. This tool plots profile lines from raster layers or point vector layer with the elevation field. Support multiple lines as well as graph export to SVG, PDF, PNG or CSV. So this is the tool which we are going to use to see the profiles. So open this, go to this terrain profile. So click your DM, add to the layer. So I'm going to see from top to bottom. This is the topmost end of a watershed, and this is the bottommost end of the watershed. So just click it, 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 and click it. So if you see the profile, see, this is the elevation profile of your DM. If you can see, means in this particular area alone there will be highly elevated, so water flow from this area to this area will be more critical. So while we doing hydrological study, the elevation profiles are more important. Just follow for more updates in QGIS. Thanks for watching.